What's up, photo kids? This week you guys get me all dressed up. I had to do a video about the art department and how great it is and talk about the classes, so I figured I would go ahead and do your weekly video now as well. So, last week was week 4. I gave you a week to kind of catch up on things, no new projects, just having you guys do some writing and some reflecting and some reviewing, okay? So now we are back to the grind. So photo 1 and photo 2, you guys should be turning in some edited photos, and really photo 3. Photo 1, you should be turning in your motion edited photos. So I would like to have some kind of frozen motion and some kind of blur motion, whether it is the flash looking blur or the panned, where part of your subject is focused and like the outer edges are blur. Okay. Frozen would be like a water splash. Okay, so turn those in. Photo 2, you're working on reflection and or candid edited photos. So remember, reflection can be using mirrors or water or marble or even black oil because it reflects the colors. And candids are gathering people acting naturally. So your parents or your siblings at home working and they're not posing for you, okay? Photo 3, you're supposed to turn in some edited photos last week due to the size of, or the amount of work that you're working with. You might need another week to edit those. So give me some photos, get stuff turned in, okay? And then if you are done with those edits, it's time to start thinking about your next photo shoots that you're going to do that you guys researched and told me that you're going to be working on. Okay, we're at that time now. So, photo 1, continue to work on your photo journal. 5 slides of images that you have found online that you like, that you are critiquing. Why are they good? And then 5 images of your own that you are critiquing. Why are they good, not good? What could you have done to make them better? Okay, so 11 slides total because you need a title slide. Photo 2, your reflection paper, you can start working on it. It's going to be 2 pages. It needs to be double spaced times New Roman fonts, 12 points. Okay, so start off talking about the projects. How did things go for you? What worked? What didn't work? Why? Self-reflection. Okay, also, how can the skills you've learned in this class be applied to life in general? All right, like using your time wisely. Okay. That should cover things for the week. It's back to normal. So, Monday check-in video, Wednesday critiques of the previous week's photos, and then Saturday/Sunday, your final photos are due for the week. Okay? Okay. So, miss you guys. Hope you guys are all doing well. Give me some photos to turn in. It brightens my day. It's like, ooh, ah. All right? All right. Good.